and welcome to another TalkIT tutorial. This time we're going to be doing core C# features as part of the C# course. In this, what we're trying to do is just show you the basic core concepts of the C# language. So we're going to be looking at loops, variables, conditions, and just showing you how it works inside the applications. So just to start, we've got the language essentials. So sort of your variables are literally the most essential things you could possibly have. And we've got a few different, well, I say a few, we've got a lot of different ones, to be honest. Boolean, bytes, shorts, integers, longs, floats, chars, just goes on. And then obviously object, which can pretty much is literally anything. I'm just going to quickly just go through a console application. So I'm just going to run through these for you just to show you what they sort of do, what they sort of mean. So just opening up my Visual Studio here, and then just do a new project, C# here, and we're going to be choosing a console application, and we're just going to call that console test, like so. Just click OK. So now I'm just going to refer back to the tutorial here just to get this code, as it saves an awful lot of time. So and just paste that in there. So what I'm going to now do is just run that for you, just so you can see what it's doing. So enter a whole number, 6. So what I've just done is I've entered one string, turned that into an integer here, but then what I'm going to do is format it. So this is sort of string formatting, sort of, but what we're doing is just putting it in different types. So we've got the raw outputs, that's just 6 in itself, number formatting, so you've got commas, decimal formatting, you can see it all here, and then hexadecimal as well. So this one, X format for 6 is 6, exponential, currency, but you can start to see all of the different things that you can actually change stuff into using string formatting there, which I think we cover in another tutorial later on. But I will just go back. Let's see what. Let's get. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Just get another one of these. I can see what this. Again, this is using a bit of string formatting. Just taking some input from the user and then simply just relaying it back to them. So a bit like an echo application. So Stephen, just do that. 19. You couldn't get to see that, and that's because it just ended the application. So what we're going to do is just add a console.read line, and then what that's going to do is just hold the application. 19, there you go. So message, past Stephen, you'll be 20 next birthday, which is true, I will be. So then ending that. So that's all that's going on. It's reading it, it's putting it, what it's doing is formatting it. So the first one here enclosed in the brackets, 0 is my last name to upper, so that's Pask. Number 1 is my first name, as you can see, all separated by commas, and then the 2 is going to be my age plus 1. And this is all of the information just getting read and put into variables for first name, last name, and age. That has been this part of the tutorial. I will be doing in the next lab, I'll be doing a video on lab 4, and I'll be going over the operators, the conditions, and then the loops all in one, just showing you how they all work together. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you very much.